Yo, hey guys, I welcome you to my channel. I'm super excited because I'll be sharing with you today some powerful Ewe proverbs, and I'll try my possible best to translate them into the English language. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share with friends. Thank you. Tonya Vaumo do is on Vanya YouTube ya Valaji. Agbala ejinya jom labanya lanu kuda Eʋe Lododowo nu egba nya aje egomo kpata na mo kpo subscribe la na subscribe na share kpakple amewo akpe lododo gbanto sinu mia lanu kudo eyenya demenya menu anugo le English gbema. Had I know is always at last. Had I know is always at last. Lododo Evelia. Haladechi mechi ajina ami o. Haladechi mechi ajina ami o. A pork soup does not worry for more oil, or the pork soup does not worry for additional oil. Lododo Etonlia. Bon kuku mo voin adetu o. Bon kuku mo voin adetu o. A dead goat does not fear the hunter's gun, or the dead goat does not fear a hunting gun. Lododo Enelia. Beve menyi avio. Beve menyi avio. Two voices cannot raise a child, or two authorities cannot raise a child. Lododo Atonlia sinomia lanu kudo eyenya fekple dan eye na voin megbeto. Fekple dan na voin gbeto. Play with snake and fear human being. Play with snake and fear human being. Lododo Adelia. Dole mafon kple kue zona. Dole mafon kple kue zona. Incurable sickness goes with death. Incurable sickness goes with death. Lododo Adelia sinomia lanu kudo eyenya dadi majwa kalaminu o. Dadi majwa kalaminu o. The cat does not watch over a fry fish. The cat can never watch over a fry fish. Lododo enyilia sinomia lanu kudo eyenya bomachila nglo achonya obe. Bomachila nglo achonya ba. Only fools forget matters of yesterday. Only fools forget matters of yesterday. Lododo ashekelia sinomia lanu kudo eyenya fetrichi kona u agbleto gake ebine deni. The okra plant can grow above the height of the farmer, but he burns it and harvests the okra. Let me go over again. Fetrichi kona u agbleto gake ebine deni. The okra plant can grow above the height of the farmer, but he burns it and harvests it. Lododo awolia sinomia lanu kudo sinanya mamle lagba kwenu kekajia fiave menua zidekaji o. Fiave menua zidekaji o. Two kings cannot sit on a throne. Cannot be on a throne. Two kings cannot be on one throne. Guys, please do subscribe to my channel and like, comment. If you need any info or you want to ask any question, you can ask at the comment section. I'll be right there to answer you. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and share with friends. Tonya Vaumo me subscribe na your channel nya like video mia make my plamo na mia do mia fa de konu ple mia fa gbegboglo de nugo mi gademo be mia fa de konu na ito akpe evenyawo mina mia do fa gbe.